Today we'll discuss how to request changes to spousal maintenance or alimony orders. Modifying these orders can be complex, but sometimes it's necessary as circumstances change. To modify spousal maintenance, you must demonstrate a significant change in circumstances since the original order was put in place. This can include a change to income, employment status, health conditions, or the financial needs of either party. The court will consider these changes to determine if a modification is appropriate. Gathering comprehensive evidence is crucial to support your modification request. This includes financial documents like pay stubs, tax returns, medical records, or other relevant information that demonstrates the change in circumstances. Through documentation, you can strengthen your case and help the court understand your situation. The process begins with filling out a motion to modify spousal maintenance with the court. This motion should detail the changes in circumstances and include the necessary supporting evidence. The court may schedule a hearing where both parties can present their evidence and arguments. It's essential to follow all court procedures and deadlines closely. Any missteps can delay the process or negatively impact your case. An experienced attorney can guide you through these legal complexities and ensure that everything is handled correctly. Having a knowledgeable attorney is invaluable when seeking to modify spousal maintenance. They understand the legal standards and can help gather and present your evidence effectively. They will also advocate for your best interests in court before the judge. Their expertise can significantly influence the outcome of your request. Changing spousal maintenance orders requires careful planning and strong legal representation. If you believe a modification is necessary, give our office a call. We're here to provide you with the legal support and advocacy that you need to assure a future adjustment and a fair financial situation.